Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to perform logistic regression on SPSS. Logistic regression is useful when you want to predict a categorical variable from a set of predictor variables. Today we are going to perform a problem that is there a combination of gender, parents' education, mosaic and visualization test that predicts whether students will take algebra or not? It means that we have a combination of the predictor variables, that is gender, parents' education, mosaic and visualization test, and we have the dependent variable, that is algebra, whether the students will take algebra or not. That is the dependent variable. Now how we are going to perform that? This is our SPSS window, and coming towards our SPSS data, we are going to click on analyze regression binary logistics. In binary logistic, what we are going to perform, we have this dependent variable is that either the students will take algebra in the high school or not. So this algebra 2, it will be in the dependent box. Now we have this gender as one variable, we have mosaic, we have visualization 2, or we can take it as visualization 1. Okay, and we can take as parents' education, that is, we are going to shift it in the covariate box. Make sure the method we select is enter method. Select options. We are going to click on confidence interval, that must be 95%, or if 90 it's also okay. Click on continue, click on OK. Now coming towards this case processing summary, we have no missing cases over here. Now this is a dependent variable encoding. It means the students who have not taken algebra, they have given a code of 0, and those who have taken algebra, they have given the code of 1. This is the 0 beginning block. This is our estimation. This is our expectation. We haven't analyzed, and this sets that 100% of the students, they are not going to take algebra. This is our expectation, and 0% are 1, definitely they are going to take algebra. After our corrected value, what we have analyzed, that 53.3% will going to take not going to take algebra. 53% will not going to take algebra. Now Wallace value, what is actually the Wallace value? Wallace value, it is used to determine whether a certain predictor variable is significant or not, and this Wallace value here, it is not significant. When the Wallace value is not significant, it means we reject our null hypothesis. Our alternate hypothesis is accepted. Variables not in the equation, it seems that the variables, they are significant. Only the mosaic is a variable which is not significant right now. Now in this case, what we have seen, that this model is approximately fit. Block 1, that block 0 is the initial model, and in the next block, what again we have said, we have looked for this model summary. Model summary, it shows what? It shows that this is, in the previous analysis we have seen the adjusted R square. Here we have Cox and Snell R square and Nagel-Kirky R square. What the value is saying, that the value is saying that 0.395, that is 39.5% of the variance can be predicted from the combination of 4 variables. This is again the classification table, and in the classification table, what we have analyzed over here, that around the corrected percentage, the overall corrected percentage was 78.7%. 78.7% says that they were predicted correctly. That 34% of the students are those, 34 divided by 40, they are those percent that they are going to take, not going to take algebra, and 10 students are those who are going to take algebra. So the percentage is 71. Previously what the percentage was 53, and here it's 78. It means the percentage has been increased. If the predictable value is increased, means analysis is useful. Then coming towards our variables in the equation, what we have analyzed in the variables of the equation, coming towards the significance value, this parent's education is significant, visualization is significant, but agenda is not playing any significant role in predicting whether the students will take algebra or not. And mosaic previously also it is not significant, and now also it is not significant. By analyzing these values on the beta coefficient, what we have seen that parents education is far more effective as compared to the visualization too. This is what we can say, that how we are going to perform logistic regression on SPSS.